Hey beautiful people, I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm gonna share with you all guys a tremendous video. One of my best video and moments that's made my day good. These speechless creatures wants nothing from us but good gesture and kindness. I often put food for birds in my balcony, but today I went on the roof and put some food over there. The most appreciated thing is that they instantly came while I was putting food. That's enough good start. So far as they came and enjoyed the food, I didn't disturb them anymore and sat at the corner and started watching them. You know what, people? These sort of act often makes our soul more purified. We should do such deeds to make ourselves feel better, especially when the weather is not enough good for their survival like in summer. Heavy rain, foggy day as well. I hope you will like this video. Please do like, share, comment, and press the bell icon to get new update on my channel.